Alright, so now you're very serious about putting videos on Instagram or on any social media for your business or somebody else's business, and you don't know where to start. Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to go over 4 things you should know on how to create videos for businesses for social media. Check it out. Alright, we're just going to jump right into it. Number 1 is how to record using your phone. A lot of us have iPhones, Androids, whatever the phone may be, and a lot of those cameras are very good. So learn how to use it. It's in your pocket. You're able to pull it out when something happens, and it's very important to learn how to use your phone as a camera before you go ahead and purchase any camera, because the skills are what you want to learn. Number 2, it's how to plan a video. We need a beginning, middle, and end. We need this video to flow. So you need to learn how to plan a video, right? Just like stories, beginning, middle, and end. Number 3, how to edit and export your video, right? Now, I'm gonna talk about 4 editing techniques here, but it's still part of number 3. Number 1 is how to split your clips or cut them, shorten them. Number 2, how to adjust the audio or take it out completely. Number 3, how to adjust the speed if you want to do slow motion or if you want to speed it up. And lastly, number 4, which is how to export it or finalize your video and be able to put it out on social media. All right, the 4th and final thing that you should know is strategy, right? You need a strategy on how to post videos. In the video I mentioned before is you wouldn't go to the gym and just start lifting weights, right? You would have a strategy. Are you going to work on these types of muscles? Are you going to work on these types of activities or workouts? You have a plan, you have a strategy, and it's the same for video. And that strategy is what Google developed, and it's called Hero, Hub, and Hygiene. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, great, I have all this information. Where do I go from here? Well, in this video, I have it in the description below, a playlist of every single thing I just talked about, so you can go ahead and watch those videos and get right into it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we are dropping new videos each week to help you with video creating. Also, go ahead and drop a comment below if there's something specific that you want me to cover or if you want some tips on your specific business. Don't forget to check out the videos on the side, and I'll see you next week. Peace.